favorite time is when it rains. You ain't got water and the plants be amazing after it rains. Oh, we so happy. Cause it's also movie time. Let's go. Hey, baby. This is my kind of rain right here, baby. Yeah. See how that's puddling right there? Don't ever think you overwatering your plants when they puddle. See how God water? God don't play no games when it's time for the rain. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like tomorrow morning too. Cause it's gonna look amazing out there after this rain stops. Every day, good old rain in the afternoon. The deep water. Gotta love it.